Hey ladies and gentlemen, happy Sunday. Welcome to the Evangelist Nick Garrett channel. Today I've just got a short, easy one for us. I want to tell you about something that they called in the early church love feasts. I keep seeing this term referred to over and over and over again in the early church records, the notes, the excursus, the canons from councils, the generic histories, letters between fathers. And I have to admit, knowing that Roman times and Christianity in Rome was pagan, you go, love feast, what is this? This sounds like some kind of thing, And the other word you'll see used in reference to them is agape, right? They called them agape. Well, they were actually really cool things. They were modeled after the Lord's Supper, and they were communal feasts where they'd get together to celebrate Christian fellowship, essentially, right? It wasn't a ceremonial rite like would become a sacrament. And maybe the sacrament came early, but that's not what a love feast is. But a modern Christian who belonged to an ecumenical faith or a Protestant faith, this is where there's a beautiful unity in the idea of a love feast among all Christians, even modern stripes, like the joke about you go to a Baptist church, you're going to be fed well, right? That's that joke there, you're going to get some good food at a Baptist church. Well, in the liturgical churches, your Catholic church, for example, these things turned into what became feast days, right? Recurring annual days of feast of remembrance for certain individuals who had been prominent to the faith for whatever reason. This is a tradition that is present in the earliest days of the church that we still have today. The love feasts, the agape as they were called. I found that very interesting, and I thought that you would too. Happy Sunday. I'm working on part 14 of the New Christian History of the Church, which now is the First Council of Constantinople, the second major ecumenical council of the church. I had said earlier, it's going to be part 13, but I squeezed something else in there because I was still reading, studying. I thought that topic was interesting and it was timely. So I'll see you in the next few days with that, and we'll probably put out some other stuff as the mood strikes and as the research goes. Talk to you soon. I want to thank whoever gave a $10 contribution. That's the most money we've collected in the last few weeks, Michael, so thank you. I added you to my prayers last night. If you'd like to support us, you can. Just a few dollars here and there in the PayPal gets used to pay for the things relative to this ministry, website, copyright, fees on licenses for songs and videos that we use and stuff like that. And also I have a few books I need to get right now because I'm in the middle of finishing writing the next book in the Just Tell Me the Truth About Christianity series. And I will talk to y'all soon. See ya. Bye-bye.